barbecue. We're just starting it. Here are both sides. Here's the other side. And also doing smooth stucco for this back wall. This is what it looks like. We go constructing the barbecue in the backyard. This is what it looks like. We have an opening for the refrigerator. On the left, we got the barbecue, which is going to go in the middle, and a sink on the right-hand side. This is what it looks like right now. Here we go, barbecue installation in backyard. This is what it looks like. Here we go, almost the finished product. This is what this barbecue looks like. Came out really nice. Just the backsplash needs to be done. Really nice.